How to join Roblox events in 2024. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join Roblox events in 2024. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now search for the Roblox application and look for updates. If you see an update option available, then click on it to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page. From your home page, open the Roblox app. In Roblox, make sure you are logged in to your account. Now here at the top right corner, tap on the search icon. In the search bar, you need to type in this. On the search bar, type in Christmas events. You will see the option in the search suggestion. Simply tap on it. Now here you will see all the games that are related to Christmas event. Now Christmas event is just an example. If you want to play other type of events, then you can simply search for them. If you want to play a game, then select it. After which this kind of menu will open. Here tap on the play button at the bottom. Now the game will open. It will take some time to open the game, but you will land to the event. So by this process, you can play any type of event in Roblox. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.